Hello everyone, welcome to Red Potato Kitchen, and this is Mr. Red Potato. Have you all ever heard of pumpkin rice? Yes? No? If yes, then I'm sure you know how good is this rice. For those who answered no, you'll definitely need to try this. In this episode, I want to share with you all on how to cook pumpkin rice for 6 to 8 persons. I'm sure everyone, especially those pumpkin lovers, will love this dish. Without any delay, let's start cooking. These are the ingredients needed. 400 grams of pork meat. I'm using pork neck. You can also use pork belly if you want. It's up to you. 50 grams of dried prawn. 650 grams of pumpkin. 6 to 7 pieces of dried mushrooms. You can add more mushrooms if you love them. 9 to 10 pieces of red onions. And don't forget 4 cups of rice. First, you wash and soak the dried mushrooms until they are soft. Do the same thing with the dried prawn. Remember not to discard the mushrooms and dried prawns water as you will use it later. Then, you marinate the meat with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Add in some black peppers. And then you mix it well. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Peel off the onion skin and cut them into slices. Peel, cut, and dice the pumpkin. Next, you drain the mushrooms and the dried prawns water. Remember, don't discard the water. Once the mushrooms have gone soft, cut them into slices. Once all the ingredients are ready, you may start cooking. Heat the wok with medium-low heat. Add in the oil and then stir-fry the onion slices. Keep stirring until they become golden brown and crisp. Remember, don't stir for too long as the onion slices will burn easily. So, pay attention. Remove the fried onion from the wok. And then strain them to remove the excess oil. Don't throw the oil. You will need to reuse the oil for the next step. Onion oil will give a nice fragrance to the rice. You heat the wok with medium heat again. Add in a bit oil in case the onion's oil is not enough. Put in the dried prawn and stir fry for 5 minutes. Then add in the mushrooms and keep stirring for another 5 minutes. Add in the marinated meat stir them until they are half cooked. Next, put in the pumpkin and keep stirring for about 5 minutes. Then, put in the rice and stir them for another 5 minutes. Add in the mushrooms and dried prawns water. Next, you put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Keep stirring for 5 minutes. Add in some salt. After that, you can turn off the burner and move the rice to the rice cooker. Fill in water in the pot until all the ingredients submerge. Close the rice cooker and don't forget to turn on and start the cooker. Next, you wait and do whatever you want. You can go and watch Netflix or dry out your laundry or read a book. And ding! Finally, our pumpkin rice is ready! Yay! You sprinkle your pumpkin rice with the fried onion and it will taste better with sliced chilies mixed together with soy sauce or fish sauce. So, what do you think? Looks yummy, right? Please don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. If you prefer to listen to Mandarin version, please click the link in the description below. See you again in the next episode. Mr. Red Potato signing off. Bye.